Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOunts. So today I tried to access the Minecraft launcher in my Windows 11 laptop, but unfortunately in bottom it shows one message: warning, to prevent potential data loss, please back up your local Minecraft for Windows files and run the gaming services repair tool. Click here for more info. So I try to press this link, and here they mention the reason for this message. If you do, your worlds may be lost. We are continuing to investigate this world loss issue and are currently blocking the update from Windows to prevent the possibility of lost worlds. We recommend that you run the gaming services repair tool for PC in the Xbox app on PC before installing any Minecraft update. And in followed by they showing the some instruction to run this tool. So if you like to do this method, first of all open your Microsoft Store and then download this Xbox app. But here I already installed this app, so I try to open it. And also don't forget to sign in your Microsoft account details. So once the sign in process is completed, and click on your profile picture and go to support. And here you can see this is that gaming services repair tool. But before going to run this tool, first of all pack up your Minecraft world. So once the backup process is completed, and then run this tool and click to start repairing, and it starts to processing, so be patient. So finally this repairing process is completed, so now you can play your Minecraft. So the conclusion of this video is this message only comes to you if you update your Minecraft to new version. So I think this is a bug from this Minecraft, so you can wait for your next update from this Minecraft team. So overall I complete my tutorial. So friends, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise just leave a one like, and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech Accounts, and thanks for watching.